Hey there, Shopify enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest e-commerce tips to supercharge your online store. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but impactful: how to change your cart icon in Shopify for 2025. Whether you're refreshing your brand's look or just want to stand out from the crowd, this quick update can make a big difference. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Online Store section and click on Themes. This is your gateway to customizing the visual elements of your store. Select the theme you're currently using, and hit that Customize button to enter the theme editor. Now, in the theme editor, navigate to the header section. That's usually where the cart icon lives. Look for the cart icon settings. In the 2025 update, Shopify has made this even more user-friendly with a dedicated icon library. If you don't see it right away, try using the search bar in the editor to find Cart Icon options. Once you're there, you can either choose from Shopify's pre-built icons or upload your own custom one. Make sure your image is in a compatible format like PNG or SVG, and keep it sized appropriately to avoid any distortion. After selecting or uploading your new icon, take a moment to preview how it looks on different devices. Shopify's editor lets you switch between mobile, tablet, and desktop views, which is a game changer for ensuring everything's pixel perfect. Once you're happy with it, hit Save to apply the changes. And just like that, your store's cart icon is updated. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, double-check that your theme is up to date, as the 2025 features might require the latest version. This simple tweak not only enhances your store's aesthetics but can also improve user engagement. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more Shopify hacks. See you in the next video.